Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Claude to find me a 10K product in under 2 minutes. So no scrolling through Meta ad library for hours, sometimes days, and keep seeing the same product, the same brand over and over again. That is deadly boring and it is like a waste of time. So we're going to be smart than this. Because here's how it usually ends. You pick a product based on your emotion. You fall in love with the product, you picked it, and you're gonna test it. And that's why it usually fail. So here's a problem with manual product research. You go to Meta Ad Library, as I said, you keep scrolling for days. And at the end, you're gonna pick a product that everyone else is selling. The same gadget, the same saturated stuff that drop you into a brutal competitive market. We don't want that to happen. Instead, there's a smart way to do product research. So here's the shift though. We don't want to manually research product and keep scrolling for days. We can connect Claude to gethookd and ask it in a plain English. Just give us 10 winning product we're going to start selling today. Like I did here, I asked it give me a 10 product to start selling them today. It came back with 10 product with a product URL, ad library, and the angle that they are selling to. To connect Claude to gethookd, you need a team plan. So if you're in a pro or a starter, you need to upgrade your plan to a team. And if you don't have an account yet, you can start a free trial like I did, and you can get your MCB server and API that connect to Claude. So actually, let's go back to Claude Code, Claude and desktop, and start connected. So inside Claude, you can go to customize connectors, add a new connector, add custom connector, and here you can name it something like gethookd, and here it's asking us from MCP server and URL. So after you upgrade your plan to a pro to team plan, you're gonna land in this page, this gethookd page. From here at the bottom left, you see AI and MCB server. So click on that, and here you have your MCB URL. So connect to AI agent MCP. You need to copy this link. If you are a bit technical, you can also get your API, but that's another topic for another video. So let's get it set it up. Paste that URL here, add custom connector, and because I have already connected, I see this message say a server with this URL is already exists. So let's go back to Claude Code. I actually asked it to give me a 10 winning product, and it came back with these 10 products. So I actually picked this product to sell. Let's see how many active visitors do they have. They have like 57 monthly visitors. They have more than 300 active ads. Let's see if they have any other product. They have other 4 products. Let's see what is the best-selling product. Yes, this is the best-selling product. They have more than 400 reviews. That means this product may be like sold like 1,000 units or so. So yeah, we can definitely sell this product. So if you decided to sell a product, the product in itself is not the price, the angle is. So as you can see in Claude, all of these product last message has angle and avatar. So we're gonna focus on angle for right now. So we're gonna pick a proven angle they are selling to, and we're gonna change the avatar to our avatar. So if they are selling to a women over 50, we might go and sell to maybe professional worker women. Anyway, I don't know. And we take the proven angle and the control creative. So control creative, I mean like copy in the ad. How many repeated copy in the ad library they are using. So if they have more than 50 ads using the same copy, that means that is a winning ad. We're gonna study that. So, and then the emotional driver. We take all of that and we're gonna save them into swipe board like Notion database or Google Doc if you're using. I'm using Notion database. So we're gonna save the angle, we're gonna save the proven angle plus the avatar, and we're gonna create our own version of it. We don't want to rip them off or copycat them exactly like what they are doing. That is not how it works. So if we did that, it's probably gonna fail. You might get a few purchases, but at the end, you won't scale. We're gonna save all of that into a swipe board. So the avatar, the proven angle, the copy repeated, the product page structure, the listicle page structure, the advertorial page structure, and copy paste all of that into into a swipe board, maybe Notion or Google Doc, as I said. And then we're gonna create fresh creative, and then we're gonna launch our ad. So I'm gonna record a video about how to create your product page with Claude. I'm gonna add it at the top here, and also I'm gonna create a video about how to launch your meta campaign with Claude. Also, I'm gonna add it at the top here. Here's my final take though. This is gonna find your signals. It doesn't remove your thinking. You still need to keep your head up. If the product have like high score, that means it has proven demand, but not guaranteed to win. So you still need to check your margin, your supplier, your shipping, your cost, etc. And yeah, you need to take a look at it like I have just did here in this product. I look how many visitors do they have, how many active ads do they have. All of these things you still need to do it manually. So don't just pick a product that Claude gave you and go and pour your money into it. You're gonna fail if you did like that. So yeah, that is the whole system. And if you're running an e-commerce brand and you want to scale and automate your business with AI, I have built a complete an e-commerce OS that do all of these repeated tasks, like from product research to sourcing to copywriting to creative, product page, customer support, email marketing. All of this will be handled and automated. So if you want me to work with you, you can just get your free audit. Go to this website, fill this form, and just shoot me a message, and I'm happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.